Online Class Philippines. Welcome to English 7 class. Today, we are going to study about organizing information. Why do we need to organize information? Without proper organization, putting a puzzle together is near impossible. If you have scattered ideas and details all over the place, yet fail to organize them, your writing will look like a scattered puzzle of words. What is an outline? You have probably already seen, used, or even created outlines at some point or another. Outlines are like the blueprint of your writing, as they are the summary or breakdown or main and supporting ideas. The more detail provided in the outline, the easier writing will become. What are the benefits of outlining? First, it puts ideas in logical order. If you have your outline, you know what comes first, what will be the second, what will be the third, and how will your writing end. 2. Show the relationship between ideas, material, or evidence. If you have your outline, you will have a concrete plan of how are you going to present the relationship between your ideas. 3. Provide a summary of main ideas and supporting evidence. It will be easier for you to augment your main ideas because you already know how to support them with supporting evidences. The following image of a basic outline shows one overall topic. The main topic will be healthy living. Then it provides a list of main ideas or categories relating to that topic: healthy eating, healthy activity, and healthy habits, and then goes on to list subsections that can be used to further explain or support the main ideas or categories. Now, let's try to look in the outline. Again, our topic is healthy living. As you can see, we have three Roman numerals. The first one is healthy eating. That is a big idea. That is the main idea of the first paragraph. 2. Healthy activity. That is the main idea of the second paragraph. 3. Healthy habit. That is the third main idea. If possible, it will be in a paragraph. If it is not possible, it can be in a form of sentence. You could observe also that in Roman numeral number 1, healthy eating, under this are subpoints: A. Fruits, B. Vegetable, C. Proteins. These are things that we need to promote healthy eating. On Roman numeral number 2, we have healthy activity. We have subgroups: A. Running, B. Biking, C. Swimming. So these three are healthy activities that we can do. 3. Healthy habits. A. No smoking. B. Plenty of rest. C. Drink water. These three are healthy habits that we can do. As you can see here, the ideas are organized properly. What comes first, then the supporting idea, what comes next, then the supporting idea, and the third one and the supporting idea. This is an outline. Now let's try to make it a sentence or a paragraph. Paragraph format. Healthy living is really important to a person. It might be achieved in a three-way process: healthy eating, healthy living, and healthy habit. Healthy eating requires a person to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and foods rich in proteins. As part of healthy activity, a person can do running, biking, and swimming. Healthy habits involve no smoking, having plenty of rest, and drinking a lot of water. As you can see, this paragraph are taken from the outline that we have a while ago. So having the outline, it will be easier for you to construct your own paragraph. You can format your outline in a variety of ways. By using an outline for organizing your information, you will find the writing process easier to navigate and far less frustrating to deal with in the long run. I hope you learned something today. Try this. Categorize which are indoor activities and outdoor activity. Read a book. Build a model. Ride a bike. Play cards. Swim. Play baseball. Bake cookies. Climb trees. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson.